What if 80% of your stress is just bad prioritization? Meet the Eisenhower Matrix, your new calm commander. The Eisenhower Matrix splits tasks into 4 boxes. Box 1, urgent and important, true emergencies. A client crisis, a deadline tonight, a health issue. Do them now. Example, a server's down? Call the team and fix it. Box 2, not urgent but important. This is where success lives. Planning exercise, deep work relationship time, schedule these. Example, blocking 2 hours every morning to write that report will prevent future emergencies and boost your results. Box 3, urgent but not important. Distractions that scream for attention but don't move the needle. Delegate these. Routine meeting notes, last-minute non-critical requests. Hand them off. Box 4, neither urgent nor important. Time-suck activities. Delete or minimize. Doom scrolling, needless busy work. Endless social media scrolling during work hours. Cut them. Here's the trick to stop firefighting. Spend most of your energy on box 2. Schedule it, protect it. Treat it like a meeting with your future self. Use a quick daily triage. When a task lands, ask 2 questions. Is it important? Is it urgent? That's your map. Practical routine. Every morning, 60 seconds triage. Put 3 things in box 2. Put 1 in box 1. Delegate 1 from box 3. Delete 1 from box 4. Start today. Pick 1 important but not urgent task. Book it on your calendar right now. Stop reacting, start directing. Want a printable matrix and a 7-day plan to break the firefighting loop? Hit like and subscribe. I'll drop it in the description.